Marhaba to the wonderful world of Arabic. This is Abdul Samie, your Arabic buddy. Arabic uses 28 different consonants and each consonant is represented by a different letter. As you may be aware that Arabic script is written and read from right to left, which is horizontally. In this video, I will take you through the Arabic alphabet. Before that, first let's have a look at all of them together. As you may have noticed, some of the letters in Arabic do not exist in English and vice versa. We will first go through the letters that exist in English. In this way, you may not have any problem learning or pronouncing these letters. The Arabic alphabet and equivalent in English. Alif, A, Ba, B, Ta, T, Tha, Th, Jim, J, Ha, H, Kha, Kh, Dal, D, Zal, Dh or Z, Ra, R, Za, Z, Sin, S, Shin, Sh, Va, D again, Ta, again T, Va, Dh or Z. It might be similar to that. Okay. Ain, again only A because there is no one equivalent in English. Ghain, JH, Fa, F, Qaf, Q, Kaf, K, Lam, L, Mim, M, Noon, N, Ha, again H here, Wow, W or U, Ya, Y or I. Transcription is very helpful for beginners because it allows you to speak the language without actually knowing how to read the script. Okay, let's revise. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Za, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, and Ya. You may not have any trouble with these letters. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Ra, Za, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dha, Ta, Fa, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, and Ya. The actual alphabet lesson starts right now. I recommend if you pause and bring pen and paper or just write them somewhere on your memos. So now let's go and see all the alphabet together. Alif. The Arabic character is written as Alif. Name of the letter is Alif. Sounds like the A in apple. Example would be Ab. Ba. Sounds like the B in boy. Bab. Example. Ta. Sounds like the T in table. Example, Talmiv. Tha. Sounds like TH in think. Example would be ثلاثة. ثلاثة. Jim sounds like the J in major. Jamil. Okay, the alphabet Ha. Ha. There is no equivalent in English, but imagine the sound you make when you blow on your reading glass. You can display noise that makes out is the letter Ha. 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 Example, har. Okay, the next letter is Kha. Sounds a lot like Bach in German or Baruch in Hebrew. Kha example is Khuch. Khuch. The next alphabet is Dal. Sounds like the D in dog. Example would be Dar. The next alphabet would be Dal. Sounds like a TH in those. Example, Dhahab. Next example would be Ra. Sounds like the Spanish R ruled really fast. Example would be Rajul. The next alphabet is Za. Sounds like the Z in zebra. Example would be Zawja. Next, Sin. Sounds like S in snake. Example would be Samak. Shin. Sounds like the sh in sheep. Example would be Shams. The next alphabet would be Sad. A very deep S sound you can make if you open your mouth really wide and lower your jaw. Sadiq, example. Sadiq. Dha. A very deep D sounds the exact same sound as the Sad, except that you use D instead of an S. Next alphabet would be Dha. Very deep D sound, the exact same sound as Sad, except that you use a D instead of an S. For example, Dhab. Next alphabet, Ta. A deep T sound. Start off by saying a regular T and then lower your mouth to make it rounder. Ta. Example would be Tabib. Next alphabet, Dha. Take the TH as in deuce and draw it to the back of your throat. Dhahar. Example, Dhahar. The next alphabet is very interesting. Ain. Ain. There is no equivalent in any of the Romance languages. So just remember as A. For example, Iraq. The next alphabet is Ghain, the opposite of Ain, Ghain. Sounds like the French A. It is related at the back of the throat. Gha, Gha. For example, Gharib. Okay, next alphabet would be Fa. Sounds like the F in Frank. For example, Fundo. Qaf, Qa, similar to the letter K but produced much further at the back of the throat. Qa, for example, Qahwa. Next alphabet, Ka, Kaf, Ka, sounds like the K in the keeper. For example, Kitab. Okay. The next alphabet is Lam. Sounds like the L. For example, Lisan. Okay. Next alphabet is Mim. Mim. Sounds like the M in Mari. Example would be Makhzan. Makhzan, coffee. These words are already covered in the previous videos. If you haven't watched, consider watching those videos. Okay, Noon. Noon sounds like the N in no. For example, نظيف.
ها.
Created by excelling heavily. Ha. Think of yourself as a marathon runner who's just finished a long race and is breathing heavily through the lungs to replenish your oxygen. The next alphabet is wow. Sounds like the W in winner. So example would be wazir. Okay. The next alphabet is ya. Sounds like the Y in yes. Example would be yamin.